Say goodbye to psoriasis with this honey and turmeric remedy. Psoriasis is a chronic autoimmune disorder that affects the skin, scalp, nails, and sometimes the joints. It is characterized by red, scaly patches on the skin that can be itchy and painful. The condition can be mild or severe, and it can vary in duration, with periods of remission and flare-ups. Causes of psoriasis. Psoriasis is a complex condition that is believed to be caused by a combination of genetic, environmental, and immune system factors. The exact cause of psoriasis is not fully understood, but some of the main causes include genetics. Research has shown that psoriasis tends to run in families, which suggests that there is a genetic component to the condition. People who have a family history of psoriasis are more likely to develop the condition. Immune system dysfunction. Psoriasis is thought to be caused by an immune system dysfunction. In people with psoriasis, the immune system mistakenly attacks healthy skin cells, causing inflammation and the formation of red, scaly patches. Environmental triggers. Certain environmental factors, such as stress, injuries to the skin, and certain medications, can trigger psoriasis in people who are genetically predisposed to the condition. Hormonal changes. Hormonal changes, such as pregnancy or menopause, can also trigger or worsen psoriasis symptoms. Microbes. Studies have found that specific microbes like Staphylococcus aureus, Streptococcus pyogenes, and Malassezia yeasts are found on the skin of psoriasis patients. Lifestyle factors. Smoking, alcohol consumption, and obesity are also linked to a higher risk of developing psoriasis. Overall, the causes of psoriasis are complex and varied, and different factors will likely play a role in different people. Symptoms of psoriasis. There are several different types of psoriasis, each with its own set of symptoms. Red, scaly patches on the skin. The most common symptom of psoriasis is the appearance of red, scaly patches on the skin. These patches can be itchy and painful. Silvery scales. The patches of psoriasis may also be covered in silvery scales. These scales can be easily removed, but will often leave behind red, raw skin. Dry, cracked skin. Psoriasis can also cause dry, cracked skin. This can be uncomfortable and can make the skin more susceptible to infection. Itchy skin. Many people with psoriasis experience itching. This can be mild or severe and can make it difficult to sleep. Burning or stinging sensations. Some people with psoriasis may also experience burning or stinging sensations on the affected skin. Swelling and stiffness in joints. Psoriasis can also affect the joints, causing swelling and stiffness. This is known as psoriatic arthritis. Nail changes. Psoriasis can also affect the nails, causing them to become thickened, discolored, and prone to separation from the nail bed. Hair loss. Psoriasis can also cause hair loss on the scalp. Fatigue. Many people with psoriasis experience fatigue, which can be caused by the stress of dealing with the condition. Depression and anxiety. Living with psoriasis can be emotionally challenging, and many people with the condition may experience depression and anxiety as a result. Honey and turmeric. The only effective mixture that heals psoriasis at a faster rate. Psoriasis is a chronic skin condition that affects millions of people worldwide. It is characterized by red, scaly patches on the skin that can be itchy and painful. While there is no known cure for psoriasis, there are several treatments that can help alleviate symptoms and improve the overall appearance of the skin. One of the most effective treatments for psoriasis is a mixture of honey and turmeric. In this video, we will show you how to make a honey and turmeric remedy that can help you say goodbye to psoriasis. Health benefits of honey. Honey is a natural antibacterial and anti-inflammatory agent that can help reduce redness and inflammation associated with psoriasis. It is also a natural humectant, meaning it helps to keep the skin moisturized and hydrated. Additionally, honey contains antioxidants that can help protect the skin from free radicals and damage caused by UV rays. Health benefits of turmeric. Turmeric is a powerful anti-inflammatory agent that can help reduce the redness and inflammation associated with psoriasis. It is also a natural antioxidant, which can help protect the skin from free radicals and damage caused by UV rays. Additionally, turmeric contains compounds known as curcuminoids, which have been shown to have a positive effect on the immune system, helping to reduce the severity of psoriasis symptoms. The only effective mixture. When combined, honey and turmeric create a powerful mixture that can effectively heal psoriasis at a faster rate. The antibacterial and anti-inflammatory properties of honey work in tandem with the anti-inflammatory properties of turmeric to reduce redness and inflammation associated with psoriasis. Additionally, the humectant properties of honey help to keep the skin moisturized and hydrated, while the antioxidant properties of both honey and turmeric protect the skin from free radicals and UV damage. Ingredients: 1 tablespoon of honey, 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder, 1 tablespoon of coconut oil, optional. Instructions: in a small mixing bowl, combine the honey and turmeric powder. Mix well until a paste is formed. If desired, add 1 tablespoon of coconut oil to the mixture for added moisturizing properties. Apply the mixture to the affected area of psoriasis and massage gently. Leave the mixture on for at least 30 minutes or overnight for best results. Rinse off the mixture with warm water and pat dry. Repeat the process 2 to 3 times a week for the best results. Note: it is important to do a patch test before applying the mixture to larger areas of the skin to ensure no allergic reactions occur. If any irritation occurs, discontinue use. Consult with a doctor before using this mixture if you are pregnant or have any other medical conditions. That's it for today's video on how to make a honey and turmeric remedy for psoriasis. We hope that you found this information helpful and that you'll give this remedy a try. Remember to always do a patch test before applying it to larger areas of skin and to consult with a doctor if you are pregnant or have any other medical conditions. Make sure to subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell to stay updated on our latest videos. Thanks for watching.